Hi, welcome to Unique Designs. In this video, I'll show you how to apply 3D dispersion effect in Adobe Photoshop using Action. It's very easy and simple. Now let's start. Go to File and open the image. Please check and take care of the following settings before we go further. First, go to the image. Then in mode and note that color mode should be RGB and bits per channel must be 8. Second, go to the layer properties and select panel options. Here this last option must be checked. Now we will load our required brushes, patterns and action which we will use for this effect. I have provided the link of these files in the description, so please check and download them. Go to edit, then presets and select preset manager. Load the brushes, keep brushes selected. Go to load and click on it. Select these 3D dispersion brushes. You can see crystalline shape brushes have been loaded here. Now load the patterns. We will do the same again. Patterns have been loaded as well. Finally, we load the 3D dispersion Photoshop action. Go to window and select actions. A tab has been opened. Click on top right corner here and select load actions. Select this. Action has been loaded. Now we will move forward. Create a new layer. Double click here and rename it as area. Please note that you have to rename it exact as I told you and keep all the letters small as you can see. Otherwise the action will not perform. Now select brush and change its color to light green. Adjust its size accordingly. You can keep hardness to full. Now keep the layer area selected and apply brush to those edges of the object from where you want to see the 3D dispersed particles to pop out. You can see the directions here. These directions are of those 3D dispersed particles that will pop out to these specific directions. I am going to select right direction as I have space to right side. Now click here, play selection and let's do the action perform its magic. It will take some time. Please note that the version of Photoshop I am using for this action is CS6, so it's compatible for this action to work. Action has been completed now. You can see many layers are also created. These all layers control various functions like this layer adjusts the color of image. Unhide it and double click here. You can adjust according to your requirements. You can hide it if you don't want to apply this. Similarly, you can check other layers to see what these layers will do to the image. Now save your image finally. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.